Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. I am going to do an unboxing. I apologize, I haven't been around for about a week and a half. We've had so much going on. Last month I had a family member in the hospital. She's doing much better now. And then my husband and I came down with common cold and had to battle through that. And then during that time, our daughter announced that they were going to be moving out of Washington, which is where we came from, and they moved here to South Dakota. So they have since, the last couple of days, moved in with us, and they're going to be looking for their own place and settling down over here. We are very, very excited. Our daughter, son-in-law, and our two oldest grandkids. So we have had a very busy household for the last month. I wanted to get around to doing this unboxing for you. Thank you again so much for allowing me to share with everything that's going on here. We are doing much better, and so I'm going to do two different videos. I have this box, and then I have a 40-piece box over there, so we're going to upload two different videos. This again was from Jomar, and I paid about, let me see. This one's from Jomar, and the other one is actually from a liquidation company. It's actually called the Liquidation Company. This one had 20 pieces, I believe. So let's dive into this and see what we have, okay? I believe we had some really great pieces in here. Instead of doing a long video for both boxes, I'm going to do two separate videos because I think it would just be better time-wise to break them up. We have a great vest here. I've gone through some of these pieces already, so I know that this is a wool vest. It's a size small, really cute piece. We have that. We have some great Christmas pieces in here. Again, I've already kind of gone through this to see what's in here. We have some great fall pieces in these two boxes. I'm very, very happy with them. These are all new with tags. I did go back to doing mainly new with tags. I might do some used items still, but right now I just want to focus on new with tags. This is a cute top that has a back button up with some lace up top here. So we have that. Let me just grab my phone here. I'm just going to silence this for a minute so we don't have that beeping on you. This is a really cute tie-dye top that has the knot in the front. This is a size small by See You Soon. A lot of these pieces in this box were from See You Soon. This is a super cute top that has a cord detail on it. Really, really cute. That can be worn over a shirt or a tank top. This is also by See You Soon. It's a size small. This is a really soft velvet by L-E-L-I-S. I think it's Lelis. Could correct me if I'm getting that wrong. Lelis. This is a really cute, I believe it's a size small, very soft blue velvet top. So that's super perfect for winter time coming up. This is a skirt that I noticed has some stuff on it. I'm going to see if I can wash it off. But this is also by, it's a wrap skirt. And it's got the base skirt to it by Lee. This is a size small. It's a leather skirt. Really cute top again by The Corner. Size small, really pretty color that can go with pretty much anything. Has the tie at the bottom there with the V-neck, very cute. A great piece for this time of the year. It's a really pretty blouse, the buttons in the back. This is by The Corner, size small. Oh, size small or 6? Size small. It almost looked like a 6 there for a second. This is a multicolored skirt, again by See You Soon. Very flowing, great colors for this season. Has a nice little ruffle bottom to it, and yes, it's lined. This is a size 4, so a size small. Great little leaf floral print top dress. Has really cute snaps on the sleeves with a cuff, and it does close in the back. This is, oh sorry, it's open in the front. I apologize. And this is a size small, again, by See You Soon. Great piece. We've got some really cute leopard print shorts by Leela's. Excuse me, size small. And then this is a really pretty floral print, a little cute flowing dress. It's kind of like a little wrap dress. Wraps like that. And it has really cute short sleeves. It does have a waist tie on it. And this was a size small, again by See You Soon. And then we have a size small. This is kind of like a leaf floral print top. Really cute and relaxed fit, nice and cozy. This was a unique piece by Leela's. It's actually a sweater short outfit. And this is a size small. Super cute. This is a kind of like a tie-dye dress. This was also by The Corner, size small. So just a cute little mini dress for going out or church or whatever. Or dancing or whatever. See You Soon. This is a blue floral. I believe this was it's a jumper. And this was a size large with cute little sleeves that have the tie on it. A few more pieces in this box, and then we've got a big box over there. Size small, again by See You Soon. This has a really pretty dress. Kind of it's not a paisley print, but I guess it's a floral print, but it's just got really pretty colors in it. And it has a button up front. Really pretty dress for any occasion. Another really cute top. This is just like by See You Soon. It's a size small. Super cute. It does have snap closure so it doesn't pop open on the chest. And then one last piece for this. I believe these were shorts. Size zipper. This is again by See You Soon. These are size 4. Size 4. They do have a pocket in the back, but super cute floral print shorts. So that's that box. And again, I'm going to do a separate video for the other box because it is 40 pieces, and that would make the video a little bit longer than I like to keep them because I like to keep my videos short for everybody. Again, I'm Sandra. I am at Poshmark_7. I'm sorry. I'm on Poshmark at Freely Loving Life _7. I'm also on eBay, Mercari, Depop, and I'm on Instagram. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. Please feel free to watch the next video also. For this liquidation piece, we have 40 pieces we're going to be going through. I've already had several things selling from the previous box, and I think I actually took a couple pieces out of here that have already sold from the other liquidation box that I did a couple weeks ago before I got sick. Things are selling quickly, and people are buying Christmas presents. It's just been wonderful. I thank you so much, you guys, for buying my product. It's just such a great opportunity for me to serve you guys. And we do offer same day shipping. If I sell in the morning, I do try to ship out in the afternoon. Otherwise, it's the next day. We do offer bundle discounts on certain platforms that allow that, and our items are always packaged with care, just in case you didn't know, because I know some of you may not have already been on our platforms. We package it very nicely. I've gotten several compliments on the packaging that we do, which just warms my heart that people appreciate that. So thank you so much for your wonderful feedback, you guys, on the platforms. It's just been wonderful serving great people and just hearing that people are loving their products. And the jewelry pieces are selling. It's just been wonderful. So thank you again for joining me on this unboxing. Again, this was Jomar. These pieces were roughly about $4 for this box. The next box I'm going to be doing, they're about $5. I try to keep my pieces at $5 or less. I typically do between $3.50 and $4.50 per piece when I do these, but this particular box that's coming up was about $5, but that's okay. It still sells great, and I do very well with them. So Again, thank you for joining me. I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to shut this one down. We're going to do this next box. See you in the next